Welcome to the English news section of Diary Times. From May 1, only 20 people will be able to attend the wedding. On the increasing cases of corona, the district administration Una has reduced the number of people attending the wedding ceremony from 50 to 20. Issuing orders in this regard, Deputy Commissioner Una Raghav Sharma said that from May 1, only 20 people from both the sides will be able to join the bride and groom together. Himachal government set up 4 committees to handle the situation in corona. In view of the increasing infection of coronavirus in Himachal Pradesh, the government has already started a major exercise in preparing for the future. Under this, the 3 separate committees have been formed which have been entrusted with the responsibility of providing ambulance management and corporate and CSR contribution to COVID-19 STRF fund from the availability of oxygen to the transport of patients from one place to another. Timetable issued for government ration depot. New system will be applicable from 1st of May. A timetable for opening and closing of all fair price shops in Himachal Pradesh has been issued from May 1. Department spokesperson said that shops of fair prices will be open from 10 am to 1 pm and from 2 pm to 5 pm. Lunchtime will be from 1 to 2 o'clock. Working hours will be from 9:30 to 6:30 pm on Sunday in summer and 9:30 am to 6 pm in winter. Disaster Management Act came in the way of supplying oxygen to Delhi. The Disaster Management Act has come in the way of supplying oxygen to Delhi. On Wednesday, Chief Minister Jairam Thakur has said that now oxygen will be supplied only after the permission of the Ministry of Home Affairs. The state government will not be able to give it on its behalf because according to the National Disaster Management Act, the state government cannot take decision on its own. 19 administrative officers in Himachal get additional charge. The Himachal Pradesh government has given additional charge to 19 officers due to the duty of the IAS officers of the state in counting duty after voting in 5 states. Additional Chief Secretary Social Justice and Empowerment Sanjay Gupta has been given the responsibility of rural development and Panchayati Raj. Ban on mass feast in 2 districts of Himachal. Ban on beautification of deities in Mandi. It has been decided to ban mass feast and group feast in Chamba and Mandi district of Himachal Pradesh. In Chamba district, wedding ceremonies, mass feast and receptions are now banned. The administration has decided to take strict measures after receiving complaints about the gathering of people at the feast and reception to be held during the wedding. CM Jairam directed to increase the capacity of beds in hospitals in Shimla district. Chief Minister Jairam Thakur, while reviewing COVID-19 status in Shimla district, directed the district administration and health department to increase the capacity of beds so that there is no shortage of beds for patients in case of rapid increase in COVID-19 cases in the district returns. The CM said that all the people coming to the district from outside state should inform the concerned authorities through the online portal. The security amount of the meter will be determined by the power consumption in Himachal. Amid the corona crisis, the state's electricity board consumers are going to get another blow. Along with making some reduction in the security amount of the new electricity connection, it has also decided to fix the security amount of the meter according to the power consumption. All connection holders will be reviewed after 1 year and new ones after 6 to 9 months. The security amount will be decided on the basis of average bill of consumers. Oximeters not available easily in Himachal. Prices have increased up to 5 times. Stocks of chemists have run out of stock. With increased demand of oximeters used to measure the amount of oxygen in the body as cases of infection in the second wave of corona increase, in Himachal Pradesh, companies have increased the price of oximeter of 800 rupees by 5 times, that is from 1800 to 4000 rupees. Drug dealers are unable to get an oximeter. Water sports will be not allowed in Himachal. Actions will be taken against those who do not fulfill the rules. Himachal Pradesh will no longer be able to carry out sports activities in the water without sanction. Strict action will be taken if the necessary safety rules are not met. The Tourism Department has notified the Himachal Pradesh Water Sports and Allied Activities Draft Rules 2021 to ensure more safeguards during adventure activities. 415 houses to be demolished for Baddi Nalagarh 4 lane, government will give double compensation amount. 415 houses have come under JD of Baddi Nalagarh 4 lane in Himachal Pradesh. The work of evaluation of these buildings is going so fast. Landlords will be given double the estimate of these houses, which will be prepared by the evaluation team. The National Authority Department is widening this route 39 meters. The land in the middle of this route has been acquired. Now houses are also being evaluated. Himachal's borders sealed. Those coming in buses will also have to register. Due to corona epidemic, new restrictions came into force in Himachal Pradesh from 10 o'clock on Tuesday night. The boundaries of the state have been sealed. The administration has deployed police and health department teams on the areas. By May 10, those coming from outside states will have to bring a negative report of corona, otherwise 14 days will have to be quarantined. Online registration is also mandatory even if buses are coming from outside states. The proposal to promote the students of 10th is ready. The cabinet will decide. In Himachal Pradesh, the proposal to promote the student of class 10 has been prepared. The proposal will soon be put up for cabinet approval. The education department has also sought suggestions from the school education board to promote the students to the next class without conducting the annual examination. Fierce fire in Kodkhai, Shimla. 6 houses burnt to ashes. Elderly women burnt alive. An extreme fire occurred in Shimla district of Himachal Pradesh under Kodkhai Tehsil. 6 houses were burnt to ashes due to fire in Funal village of Ramnagar Panchayat. It is being told that an elderly woman died due to the fire in this incident. The body of the woman has not been recovered yet. The cause of the fire is yet to be ascertained. Neelu convicted in Gudia rape and murder case. To be sentenced on May 11. The accused Neelu has been convicted by a CBI court in the case of Gudia rape and murder in Kodkhai, Shimla. The convict Neelu was produced in a special CBI court by video conferencing. Now the sentence will be heard on May 11. The CBI investigation in this case has always been under suspicion, on which the case is still pending in the High Court. Gudia's family is not satisfied with the CBI investigation. To get the English news in more details, please visit our website Diary Times. Till then, have a good day from Diary Times.